So let's go to the first lesson. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the word of Allah. You should be familiar with it. You should be aware of this shape. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ad-Dars al-Awwal, which means the first lesson. Ad-Dars, which means lesson. Al-Awwal, which means the first lesson. حروف الهجاء المنفردة. حروف الهجاء المنفردة, the Arabic individual letters. Let's go to the first letter. This is Alif, not Alif and not Alif. It's like a stick. Not Alif and not Alif. This letter has two sounds. Okay? Two sounds. The sound of A and the sound of A. Like the sound of A in English. When we say man and R, the sound A and the sound A. This letter has two sounds, A and A. The second one is Ba, with a dot beneath it. We say Ba like B in English, like banana, okay? The third one is Ta. When we put two dots above this letter, it becomes Ta. Two dots, Ta, okay? When we put three dots, Fa. Two dots above, Ta. And three dots, Fa, okay? Two dots, Ta. Three dots, Fa. Let's take this letter, Jim. It has a dot here, Jim, okay? Ha, without any dots. Many people say Ha. When we say ومن شر حاسد, we say ومن شر حاسد, not ومن شر حاسد. It's a big mistake, okay? The next one is Kha. It's like Ha and Jim, but with a dot above it, okay? It's not in English language. It comes from the upper throat. It is really close to the deep tongue. So we should exercise or practice saying that. It's Kha. It's a heavy letter, not light. In Arabic language, we have light letters and heavy letters. Okay? Light letters and heavy letters. We say Ba and we say Kha. Okay? Ba is light letter and Kha is heavy letter. Okay? The next one is Dal. Like D in English. Without any dots. This is Dal. When you put a dot above it, above Dal, it becomes Dal, like the in English. I'm going to the mosque, I'm going to the home, I'm going to the school, like the. Okay? We produce Dal and Tha from the top of tongue with the upper teeth. Okay? The next one is Ra. It's a heavy letter. Unlike English, we can say Ra, like rabbit. But in Arabic, we say Ra, in a heavy form. This is Zay. It's like Ra, but with a dot above it. It's like Z in English. For example, Zoo. This one is Sin. The next one is Sin. Okay? It's like S sound in English without any dots. When Sin takes a shower, it becomes sheen. A shower like 3 dots, it becomes sheen. When Sin takes a shower, it becomes sheen. The next one is Sad. Sad is the heavy form of Sin. The heavy form of Sin. This is Sin and this is Sad. Okay? There is a difference between Sin and Sad. This is light and this is heavy. The next one is Dod. The only language that has this letter is Arabic language. It's called the language of Dod. It's like Dal, but in a heavy form. Let's repeat these letters. Alif, Ba, Ta, Fa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dod. Let's go to the next one. This is Ta, the heavy form of Ta. This is Ta, light letters, and this is Ta, heavy letter. Okay? The next one is Dha. When you put a dot above Ta, it becomes Dha. It becomes Dha. This is Ta and this is Dha. Okay? Here we have 3 letters, Dha and Zal and Tha. They produced from the top of tongue and the upper teeth. Okay? We produce from the top of tongue and the upper teeth. We say Dha, Tha, Zal. Dha, Tha, Zal. Okay? The next one is Ain. The next one is Ain. We say Ain. It comes from the middle of the throat without any dots. Okay? The next one is Ghain. When we put a dot above Ain, it becomes Ghain. It comes from the throat, from the upper throat, which is close to the tongue. Okay? The next one is Fa. The next one is Fa. It has a dot above it. Okay? Like F in English. Like F sound in English. The next one is Qaf. Qaf has 2 dots above it. Qaf. Qaf. You know the K sound in English? K. K like cake. We need a heavy form of K. Qaf. 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 This is Kaf. It's so easy because we have K in English like cat. C-A-T, cat. This is Lam. This is Lam. In English, we have a heavy lam, but in Arabic, we have a very light lam. A very light lam. In all words, but in the word of Allah, it's heavy. When we say Allahu nuru as-samawati wal ard, Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayy qayyum, we say Allah with a heavy lam because it suits the majesty of the word Allah. Okay? This is lam. And this is mim. It's like M sound. And this is noon. It's like N sound. The difference between noon and ba, this letter has a dot beneath it, and this letter has a dot above it. Okay? The next one is ha, like the sound of H in English, like hat. Hat. Okay? Ha, like hat. This is wow, not wow. Not wow. This is wow. Okay? This is wow. This letter, ya, and this letter is ya. 2 forms of ya. These letters or these forms are like the Y sound. Yeah, like yes. Like yes. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. The final one is Hamza. This is Hamza. This is Hamza, and this is Alif. When we put Hamza above or beneath Alif, it becomes Hamza. Okay? When we draw a stick and we put Hamza shape above or beneath it, it becomes Hamza, not Alif. Okay? And we will know why we have two kinds of ya in the next lectures, inshallah. We want to repeat Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya, Hamza. Thank you.